Minnasan konnichiwa. Hello everyone. So for today, I will tell you the secret of a particle. So by the end of this video, you will be able to determine if you need to use a particle in a sentence or not. And aside from that, I have a good news for everyone. Please tune in until the end of this video because I have a special manga treat for everyone. じゃあ始めましょう。The function of a particle is to show the direction of the move. Okay, minasan, I want you to remember that is the main function of a particle. It shows the direction of the move. So below, you can see three verbs in there, which is ikimasu, kimasu, and kairemasu. The English translation is go, come, go home, or return for kairemasu. And before those verbs, you need to place the particle e after the place noun. Okay? So it will become, just like the example below, we have manira e ikimasu, nihon e kimashita, uchi e kairimasu. So we have three examples. So in the first example, we have manira e ikimasu. In English, I will go to Manila. So please remember these three verbs in which these verbs indicates movement. Okay, it indicates movement. So I will go to Manila. Go indicates movement. And the direction of the move is to Manila. So you need to place the particle e in there. Okay? And after that, we have nihon e kimashita. So where is the direction? To Japan. Okay, I came to Japan. That is the direction. The verb which indicates the movement is the verb came or kimashita. And on our third sentence example, so we have uchi e kairimasu. I will go home. So the direction of the move is go home. Okay, go home. So we have the kairimasu verb that indicates movement. So what I wanted to tell you is remember these three verbs. So if you have these three verbs in you, you memorize this, ikimasu, kimasu, kairimasu. Once you see these verbs and there is a place, you need to use the particle e. Okay? So I will be showing you another sentence pattern on our next slide. Okay? Take a look at this example. In here, there is a purpose. Okay, so in here, the place is not beside the verb ikimasu. Okay, it's not beside in it. But you still need to put the e particle after the place because the verbs in here that used are ikimasu, kimasu, and kairimasu. Okay, that is why I'm telling you just to remember these three verbs and you're ready to go. But of course, we have another verb on our next slide. Okay, so we're not done yet. Okay, so in here you can see that there is a ni particle before ikimasu because there is a purpose. What purpose? Let's see the example. Kaimono. Kaimono is shopping. So in here, I am going to Manila for shopping. So the purpose is in the middle of the sentence. Okay? So the purpose, if you have the purpose, you need to indicate or put the particle ni for the purpose. Okay? But as you can see, there is a place as well before the purpose. That is Manila. So if you have Manila, your place, your particle should be e because your verb is ikimasu. And if you use kimasu or kairimasu, it's the same. Okay? Even if you have a purpose in the middle, the purpose will be indicated with the particle ni. But the place will be indicated with the particle e. Okay? Because you have these verbs, ikimasu, kimasu, and kairimasu. Okay, minasan? Let's go to another slide. Okay. So in here, you can see this is not ikimasu, kimasu, kairimasu verb, but magarimasu. Okay? this magarimas also indicates movement, okay? Turn, okay? It means turn. So where will you turn? To the right, to the left, okay? So this sentence is used upon giving directions to a person who's asking a direction. So we have in here, migi e magarimasu. So migi, to the right, so will be indicated with a particle because it shows the direction of the move. Okay? It says that you need to turn to the right. Or if it's left, it's hidari. Turn to the right. Turn to the left. So, hidari e magarimasu. So, please remember this verb as an additional to those three that we have. So, we have magarimasu, indicates movement as well. Okay? So, now you know when to use a particle if there is a place and there is the verbs ikimasu, kimasu, kairimasu, and this one, magarimasu, you need to use the particle e. Okay. Now you know the secret of e particle. Let's now go to the special manga treat that I mentioned a while ago. A brief introduction. A team of Japanese teachers created a manga named Crystal Hunters, which is designed for learning Japanese. The manga is an epic tale of monsters and magic. You will be able to learn 87 new Japanese words and particles by reading over 100 pages digital manga. And don't worry, because even if it's in Japanese and you are a beginner in learning the language, you will be able to read it because there is a furigana above the kanji character so that you can enjoy reading it. Aside from that, it accompanies with a supplementary material which will be your guide on the meanings of specific words in English, so you don't have to search for it anymore. This will be a good start for you to practice your reading skills. For vocabulary retention, the words are repeated, and the vocabulary increases with each chapter. So I will be giving you a free copy of the Crystal Hunters Book 1. Just go to my description box below to access the link, and Book 2 is already available in Amazon in Kindle format, so if you don't have Kindle, just download the app. And please don't forget to like this video and share the epic manga Crystal Hunters to your friends. And also, please follow their website page for updates. Thank you, Minnasan! Mata ne!